Today we are going to understand what are the steps of speaking good English, what are the steps of good English. So, welcome on the platform of Falcon Computer Academy, and I am Professor Ajmal Das Jaipal, sharing the idea, sharing the steps of speaking good English. Dear friends, the first step is belief. Have a belief that it's possible for me to talk in English. Have a belief that it's possible for me to speak in English. Belief is very important. This belief that English is easy. This belief that I can do. This belief that it's possible for me to learn English. It's possible for me to write good English. It's possible for me to talk in English with confidence and with confidence and with perfection. The next step is speak before thinking. Dear friends, our mind keeps on thinking every time, every time. So shift this thinking from your native language to the English language. Our mind every time thinks. So your mind will think in English. So this will make your basis. This will strengthen your basis, and you will be a good speaker and a good writer. Next is listen, because listening and watching, these are receptive skills. These things store the knowledge of English in your mind. So listen as much as is possible in English, watch as much as is possible in English, read as much as is possible in English, and a day comes when you become a good speaker, when you become a good listener, when you become a good reader, when you become a good writer in the English language. Dear friends, the next step is practice. Practice makes a man permanent. So listen and imitate. Practice of words, practice of sentences, practice of writing English. Definitely, when you do practice mistakes, you commit some mistakes. Mistakes are a part of learning. You know that it is a skill. When you get the mastery, you try to get the mastery in any skill, you commit some mistakes. So mistakes are good for learning anything. Mistakes are good for speaking English also. So don't worry that you are committing mistakes, because this is the way, this is the path to be a good speaker, to be a good writer of English. Dear friends, next is don't feel shy. There are some people who feel shy. Actually, the thing is that teachers criticize, the friends criticize. So talk with those people with whom you are comfortable. The people with whom you are uncomfortable, don't talk with them. Talk with those people who motivate you. Talk with those people who boost you. Talk with those people who support you. Talk with those people who are ready to listen to your wrong English, listen to your mistaken English. So don't feel shy if you want to fly in the world of English. The last but not least is persistence. Dear friends, be persistent, be consistent, because all the magics of the world are in this single formula, that persistence and consistency. This makes you a master in speaking English, in writing English. Dear friends, these are the steps. Follow these steps and become a good speaker and writer of English. English is easy. This is our slogan. So keep in mind, give the space in your heart. English is easy. And yes, I can do. Yes, it's possible. Best wishes. Have a great time.